Clarkston Community Schools values the safety and security of our students and staff. If approved, the November 8th, 2022 bond proposal would fund safety and security enhancements throughout the district in order to meet the continually evolving identified needs and improvements. This includes building air quality, providing air conditioning in classrooms, ADA upgrades, door hardware replacements, window blinds, building card access controls, additional generator circuits for life safety systems, and fire alarm system replacements. If approved, the bond proposal would provide up to $197.5 million for district-wide improvements and is projected to require no tax rate increase to property owners over the current debt millage rate. To learn more about this bond proposal, please visit the district website and watch for additional updates on social media. And please remember to vote on November 8th, 2022.